Hi guys, welcome to One Shoe Studio. So today I'm going to show you how to do step-by-step bridge pose. So bridge pose is very good to strengthen your thighs, your glutes, your back, your arms, and also opening up your chest. So anytime if you feel like you want to lie down and work on your glutes and your thighs, this is a good posture. So I hope you will benefit from this explanation, and if you like my video, do share and subscribe. I have more video coming up having details explanation on each asanas. Enjoy! So we'll start by lying down on your mat. Bending your knees. Bring your feet about 1 foot distance away from your buttocks, hip width distance apart. Your hands by the side of your body facing down. Now press firmly onto your hands and on your feet. Slowly raise your buttocks, your lower back, your middle back, and your chest, supporting the weight on your arms and your shoulder, adjusting your hands, and do remember to relax your neck. If you want to go further, you may adjust your hands, bringing it further under your body, interlocks your finger, and raise the chest further up. You also have the options of placing your palms on your waist with your thumb facing each other, and do remember to breathe. So you must feel comfortable with the options that you have taken. Now, slowly, to come down, release your hands on the mat and slowly lower down your upper body, middle body, and lower body. Then straighten your legs and come to Shavasana. Feel the changes in your body.